Hello everybody, welcome to Raju the Fashion Station. In today's video, we'll get acquainted the top 10 best selling clothing brand in the world. So let's go. Number 10. Armani. The brand value of this famous company is about $3.1 billion. Armani provides impeccable tailoring, glamour and amazing dressing. Hollywood stars are most loyal customer of this brand. Armani brand has expertise in the making suite. Their clothing will be of luxurious fabric condition. Number 9. Fendi. The total brand value of this company is about $3.5 billion. Paolo Fendi was the founder of this company. The company was established in the year 1925. Fendi expertise is in the production of world-class dressing and also bags and other accessories. The handbag series was introduced in the 1997, which is called as Budget. Number 8. House of Versace. Versace is an Italian brand. Gianni Versace was established this brand in 1978. The total brand value of this company is about $5.5 billion. Versace's current revenue is about $1 billion. House of Versace is one of the most profitable lifestyle brand in the world. Versace is known for their intricate embellishment, vivid print, cocktail and iconic gowns are amazing. Versace introduced many types of clothing. Number 7. Burberry. This company has total brand value of about $5.87 billion. The company gets revenue of about $4 billion. Burberry is a British company. Audrey Hepburn is one of the most iconic figure associated with the Burberry brand. The company is famous for its innovation. Burberry has even obtained a royal warrant. This company even launched exclusive and expensive skincare range. Number 6. Ralph Lauren. This company has total brand value of about $6.6 billion. The revenue obtained by this company is about $7.1 billion. Ralph Lauren entirely focus on luxury and strip to provide all sorts of dresses material for you to live your deserved life. The Ralph Lauren clothes are owned by many famous personalities in the world. The Polo is also one of the renowned brand under Ralph Lauren. Number 5. Chanel. The brand value of this company is about $6.8 billion. The revenue collection by this company is $5.4 billion. Coco Chanel founded this company. The brand is very well known for women's clothing. The company strives to make sure that women are comfortable in their clothes and they should feel proud. Timeless little black dress was introduced by the Coco Chanel brand. Number 4. Prada. This company has a brand value of about $7.3 billion. The revenue of this company is about $3.7 billion. Prada was established in 1930 by an Italian leather manufacturer named Mario Prada. The Prada brand is one of the most expensive brands, and every girl would love to have this one. The brand offers clothes with amazing design, style and colors and make every girl feel special. Number 3. Hermes. This company has brand value of about $10.6 billion. The revenue of this company is about $5.3 billion. Hermes brand was established in the year 1837 by Thierry Hermes. Hermes is famous for its Kelly bag and also silk scarf. They are expert in the production of belt, men's and women's sportswear. Number 2. Gucci. The brand value of this company is about $12.4 billion. The revenue of this company is about $4.5 billion. The company aims at providing quality clothing. Gucci is known to produce clothes which are worth wearing for a red carpet event. The Gucci company was started in the year 1921. The founder of this company is Guccio Gucci. Gucci is one of the most expensive brands, and also they are known to produce rich and luxurious clothing. Number 1. Louis Vuitton. World's most expensive brand is Louis Vuitton. The brand value of this company has reached about $28.1 billion. The revenue collection of this brand is about $10.1 billion. Louis Vuitton is very well known for its use of leather, excellent tailoring of trench coat, ready-to-wear dresses, shoes, accessories, watches, sunglasses, jewelry, book, and many other accessories.